Titus, and mostly known as Titus N. I'm a computer engineer. I studied at Caltech, and I graduated there as well. And my expertise was based on software engineering. So having that in mind, based on passion, we now have this reality. Now I want to ask you a question. Have you heard of the Geneva Convention, the League of Nations, World Health Organization, United Nations, CivilSalt? Now, what do they have in common? Standardization. CivilSalt is a global conglomerate technology company engaged in automation and renewable energy. It's registered with respect to the relevant provisions of the OHADA Uniform Act on General Commercial Law. It's incorporated under the Trade and Personal Property Rights Register of the Court of First Instance, Bamenda, under the registration number that. Our primary objective is based on raising a generation of determined citizens. And how do you know that? Based on events like this, through organization and practical implementation. How do we do it? Software, which is based on building websites, mobile application, desktop applications, and firmware, with hardware based on consumer electronics, renewable energy, such as solar. As you can see now, the building is currently running on solar technologies. Internet, we incorporate cloud services, Internet of Things, and cyber security. We also interact with artificial intelligence, branding, advertisement. In our journey, we have collaborated with amazing partners and sponsors, such as the ones we have today. We have already interacted with 130 plus people who we have mentored, trained through IT career courses and internships, 20 plus businesses to carry out branding and advertisement campaigns, 10 plus sustainable energy deployments, that's solar technologies, 5 plus orphanage outreach and sponsorship, featured on a variety of recognitions and mentions. What is our perspective of the future? We aim to achieve quality products and services, more economic impact, as the ones we have just highlighted, improvement in international relations, and job opportunities. We are here today to say we are open to serve you by carrying out a particular ceremony that will signify that we are ready and available for you. So when next you be passing by this building, you will have a symbol which will be looking up to the heavens, where your help will come from. You know, we are the last floor. Okay, just hold on a moment. It's really heavy. So since we're on the last floor, no one, the wind, you know, blowing and carrying our signboard. We'll probably place me behind a taxi before you know it, we're at Bambili. You're looking up to this. Moving forward, to appreciate my mentors as well for their amazing journey throughout my secondary school to high school and university, and now in the, what should I say, job market. Starting with Mr. Menjo Patrick. He's one of my favorite mentors. Mr. Danjo Divine as well. A few of you might know him. And Mr. Eugene, we also call him BIOS. Yes, like the basic input-output system. Mr. Foreman Paul. So, in upcoming events, we hope to have them here. But today, we are here to signify that the new generation is taking over. I also want to appreciate Madam Maya. So, I met her at Caltech. She's a phenomenal mentor. I want to appreciate Mr. Bambo Vitalis, Mr. Ginny Crispus, and Mr. Galabe Galabe. Those are great minds. Thank you. Moving forward, I want to appreciate my family, starting with Mr. Chue Emmanuel. You know, I'm Chue Titus, you know. So this is just to say that once you have a vision and family is behind you, a lot becomes possible.
Another round of applause. In a world where everyone is trying to shun away from together in one place under one canopy, it's not an easy task, right? So please, let's celebrate this young man again. He deserves it. He deserves it.